Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about ecobsn.com review? If yes, then watch this video because in this video we are going to share unbiased review for you so you can decide either you should buy anything from this website or not. EcoBSN is an online tele-shopping platform that provides footwears for various brands like Adidas, Puma, Nike, Jordan, Reebok, etc. The products include sneakers, running shoes, and leather shoes. Apart from footwear, the portal also offers branded backpacks and handbags, jackets, sweatshirts, and hoodies. Let's check out the specification of the website, that is ecobsn.com. So we will be able to know either this is a legit platform or a scam. It is an e-commerce site that deals with branded footwear, bags, and some clothing items for men and women. HTTP secure website. They have mentioned their physical address and contact details. Moreover, they have mentioned email address, but it is not matching the domain name and it can be one of the red alert. They have not mentioned any details regarding their term and condition and return and refund policies. Moreover, they have not mentioned their payment policies. They are accepting in currency USD and Euro. They have not attached their social media accounts with this website. Payment method they are accepting are PayPal, debit and credit card. Moreover, they are accepting Visa card, MasterCard and JCB. Advantages of the website are: an explicit site chart is available. The privacy policy covers all the required legal information. The disadvantages of shopping from the website are: the page to off-white brand is not found. No filtering or sorting options are available. The product review seems biased. The discounts are too large to believe. The products of the categories are in the range of $50 to $60, which seemed obvious. The customer would be hesitant to shop from this portal as it is very new and lacks social media connections also. Here question is EcoBSN legit? It was created on 9 September 2021, like it is just few days old. It has a poor trust score, that is 2%. Moreover, the reviews we found on the website are all 5-star rating. It has a poor Alexa rank. The physical address that mentioned on the website does not belong to this portal. It is generic shopping outlet. The contact number mentioned is other suspicious site also mention the same number. Moreover, the email address does not contain this website domain and it is not a good sign. Important details related to terms of use, payment policy and return and refund are not mentioned on the website, and the page of the one of the brand is broken. Discount available on the portal seems unrealistic as far as reviews are concerned. Though there are product reviews mentioned on this portal, all are rated 5 stars and seem biased, and we could not find any mention of this portal on major reviewing forum like Reddit, Amazon or Quora. As this website is new and does not have social media connection, the customer have not yet purchased and reviewed its product. So we can say that the website is no doubt new, but at the same time we are not recommending you to shop anything from this store. Such websites often cause loss of assets. So if you have experience of shopping from this store, please share your experience with us. And for this time we are not recommending you at all, and if you are still interested, just wait for some time to come for genuine reviews and you are easy to go. But before that, it is questionable website, so you must stay away from this website.